It's not the first time I'm attending a housing estate commissioning by Agboiketu. Our chairman here, Mayor Oshinowo, has shown clearly for each and every one of us to see that local government and LCDA are working and are working well in Lagos. It's indeed yet another honor that today we'll be handing over to our citizens 2 estates in one, Raymond Estate and Sterling Heights.
A word of appreciation will go to the Governor of Lagos State for the support and the encouragement he has given to the local government chairman of Agboiketu in seeing this magnificent project to what we are all celebrating today.
The housing initiative spearheaded by our administration through creation of Agboiketu Property and Investment Board in collaboration with private sectors aims to align with the sustainable development goals by providing affordable, accessible, quality housing to address deficits in our dear states. I affirm our administration's dedication to delivering good governance to the people of Agboiketu LCDA and exemplifying that effective governance at the grassroots level is achievable in Nigeria.